Developing strong innovative capacity for our customers is our mission. With solutions of Ineo and PTC, as well as our IT infrastructure partners, Cisco, NetApp or HP, we are convinced to have the right platform for this. We've been doing digital transformation projects with our customers for over 30 years now.
As apprentices, we get to know the newest technologies and trends. For example, we are printing out Creo models on our 3D printer.
With our 12 offices, our team of 270 employees is always close at hand. We are your reliable partner for CAD, PDM and PLM, and also for IoT, visualization, CGI and IT. For our entire product and service portfolio, we offer a certified and bilingual hotline.
Ineo offers the unparalleled combination of IT expertise and in-depth know-how in the areas of product development and digital transformation. And that makes us unique in the market.
Bog standard does not exist with us. We always develop the best IT solutions for our customers.
Every year we train more than 5,000 people in CAD and PDM software, as well as in software from Ineo and software for visualization, simulation, analysis and calculation.
The latest team within Ineo brings your 3D data into the virtual world where you can experience it before production starts.
At Ineo we want to excite our customers. To learn more, listen to what our customers have to say.
Ich bin sehr sicher, dass mit Creo und mit dem Unternehmen Ineo wir da sehr starke Partner gefunden haben.
Wir sind mit der IT, mit der neuen, sehr zufrieden. Wir haben den richtigen Partner ausgewählt. Es war kein Lieferant, es ist ein Partner und das ist wichtig.
Dazu suchen wir uns natürlich Partner, mit denen wir vernünftig zusammenarbeiten können. Wir suchen uns da die Besten am Markt. In dem Fall haben wir uns für Ineo und die Software von PTC entschieden.
Ineo haben wir den richtigen Partner gefunden, der die richtigen Softwarelösungen für unsere täglichen Arbeiten hat und uns auch damit unterstützt.
Yeah, I'm very happy to recommend Ineo. We felt that they provide a vision for us as to what we can do with the software. And if anybody's looking for a technology partner in this area, then Ineo certainly fit the bill.
We have always selected our partners with best-in-class portfolio. So we made our choice almost 30 years ago for PTC, and we are still deeply convinced to have the right partner with the right portfolio for digital transformation. But check it out yourself. When can we drive your digital transformation? We are competent, fast, accessible, service-friendly and offer great value for your money.